these are the Bose QuietComfort 45s. The Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones, which I'm going to refer to from now on as the QC45s, are the successor to the extremely popular Bose QC35-2s, which were a staple in the headphone community for their great noise cancelling and comfort, hence the naming scheme. I picked these up just over a month ago when it was on sale for Black Friday, and I have been using it almost daily since then. I'm going to try to have my full in-depth review of the QC45s up on the channel by the end of 2021, so make sure to get subscribed so you do not miss that video. Anyway, let's get into what comes in the box with the QC45s. Inside the box, we're met with a small silica package that I still don't understand the purpose of, and the QC45s themselves inside the included hard shell carrying case. There's also a little bit of paperwork about general setup and warranty information that I'll probably never read. Taking the case out of the plastic wrapping, I immediately noticed that the hard shell case that's included is quite high quality and stiff, which is much better than, let's just say, some other headphones in this price range. I'm looking at you, Apple. The zipper was also really smooth, and I think that this case will hold up for a very long time. Inside the hardshell case, we're greeted with the USB-C charging cable, which, might I add, is ridiculously short, and I have no idea what I'm gonna use it for. Luckily, I can just use my MacBook charging cable to charge these headphones instead because they do charge via USB-C. We also have a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter audio cable just in case your battery runs out and you still want to listen to audio, or if you just don't want any latency. Just note that these audio cables are quite rare because of the 2.5 millimeter input, so try not to lose it. Then we've got the Bose QC45s themselves, and as you can see, they can actually fold up, which makes them much more compact for traveling, carrying them in a bag, or just storing them away, which I really like. And one look at the QC45s and they automatically scream classy with the extremely sleek matte black colorway. Setting up the Bose QC45s was not that big of a hassle, and in total only took about 2 to 3 minutes to get everything up and running. The first step is all about connecting it to your phone in the Bluetooth settings, and the physical switch on the right ear cup made this very easy. When pairing these headphones though, I would like to inform you that it will prompt you to install the Bose Music app. It's completely optional, but we'll see what the app can actually do in a moment. Once you've downloaded the Bose Music app, it will require you to allow it to use Bluetooth access in order to use the headphones, but it is thankfully not necessary to create a Bose account in order to use the QC45s. After those prompts, it's all about a matter of swiping down the headphones on screen once the QC45s have been detected to fully pair and connect them. In the Bose Music app, you also have the ability to change the name of your headphones, get some tips on how to start using the QC45s, and get the status of pending firmware updates for the headphones. You can also control settings such as volume, the noise cancelling mode, your device connections, and standby times. And that about covers it. I wanted to go a bit more in depth with this unboxing for all of you potentially interested in picking up these headphones, as I wanted to show exactly what the experience would be like for you. Stay tuned for the full review of the Bose QC45s coming soon, hopefully before the start of the new year. As always, gently tap the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, I hope this video brought you value, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.